Hi, I'm Angy and I am a customer of All Energy Solar. I chose solar power because I feel that I wanted to reduce my carbon footprint, and why wouldn't you use the sun? It's free. Working with All Energy Solar, everybody was very friendly, from the person that came and did the drone at my house, to the electricians that came here, to my representative that I talked to on the phone, via email. They were very helpful. They were always reaching out, seeing if I needed any more information. I love living with my own solar power array. It makes me feel like I'm doing really great things for the environment, and it makes me seem a little cool because we have solar, and like everywhere I drive now, there's solar everywhere, and I look at it and I think, that's me. I was really surprised when we got our first electricity bill and it was $0. I was expecting a reduction in our bill, but I did not anticipate having to pay $0. So that was a very pleasant surprise. I know that it's not going to last like that forever, but that was not something I was expecting. I think anybody that wants a friendly company, a reputable company, should choose All Energy Solar.